Welcome to the SpreadX Financial Weekly Market Preview. It's Monday the 2nd of July. Looking ahead at cable this week, ahead of non-farm payrolls on Friday in particular.
Yeah. Again, cable's still struggling to do anything good, basically. It's, I think with a lot of, negative Brexit news and things like that coming out of the UK. UK figures haven't been particularly great recently. Then also the sort of the fear of a trade war is sort of driving investors to safe havens like the dollar, which has meant that the dollar, despite things like the Dow and that plunging, the dollar has held out okay. It hasn't been able to significantly build on its sort of recent highs against the euro and the pound, but it's keeping those currencies at those sort of 7-month lows and things like that. It's sort of keeping them at their worst price in 2018, if not significantly pushing them much lower than that. In terms of what's on offer this week that could potentially help out the pound, I guess there's the services PMI on Wednesday, the UK services PMI. I think that's expected to dip though from 54.0 to 53.9. Again, like a negligible dip. It really depends on by Wednesday sort of what kind of mood the markets are in. Obviously we've seen on Monday the trade war fears, those kinds of things wipe everything else off the table, and that's basically all that investors focus on. You sort of get this nonsense trading where everything's in the red. If that continues across the rest of the week, then it's going to be difficult for the pound to gain any momentum, regardless really of what the figures are saying. So then, like you said, the big thing is on Friday, it's the non-farm jobs report. I think wage growth is expected to hold at like 0.3% month on month. The actual non-farm figure that I think is expected to be down from 223k to 200,000. So again, decent figures again. I'm not quite sure how much they'll move the needle on Friday. I think it partially depends on there's the Fed meeting minutes on Thursday night beforehand. If that sort of sets a fairly hawkish tone, and investors are going to be paying attention to those non-farm figures to see, okay, well, it seems to be a fairly hawkish Fed at the moment. When will the Fed be looking to raise rates next? Again, something that isn't necessarily great for the pound. In terms of what our clients are doing, however, they are still buying sort of below 132 as it's heading towards 1315. I think they're sort of fishing about for a bottom, and as I was saying, like the pound keeps going towards 131, but being able to pick itself back up, and even if it just ends up capping at 1.32. There isn't necessarily the appetite to push it much lower than that at the moment. So I think that might be just what our clients are betting on.
Very similar
currently.
story. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much.